Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated TicWatch Pro 5 from Mobvoi. As a longtime fan of the brand, I was excited to see how they've improved upon their previous models, especially with the introduction of Wear OS 3.5. Not only does this smartwatch boast the latest operating system, but it's also powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform, making it a true powerhouse in terms of performance. However, as with any device, there are pros and cons to consider. In this video, we'll cover all the essential details about the TicWatch Pro 5 and discuss some reasons why it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. It's important to provide a balanced review as the positives do outweigh the negatives, but that doesn't mean the drawbacks should be dismissed. If you're as excited as I am about the TicWatch Pro 5, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Without further ado, let's jump right into it and explore everything you need to know about this remarkable smartwatch. Price and availability. This sleek smartwatch is now available for purchase. Priced at $350, it offers great value for its features. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, it's ready to handle your smartwatch needs. The Obsidian black case adds a touch of sophistication. When it comes to the watch bands, you have 5 fantastic options to choose from, including vibrant silicone bands like Jungle Green, Bonfire Orange, and Twilight Blue, or the classy genuine leather bands in Tuxedo Black or Smart Casual Blue. Now let's talk about the balance here. The TicWatch Pro 5 boasts impressive specs and stylish bands, but it's important to acknowledge that it comes in a single configuration. Some of you may prefer more customization options. Additionally, with a rapidly evolving smartwatch market, it's worth considering if the TicWatch Pro 5 meets your specific needs. Design and hardware. If you're familiar with previous TicWatch Pro models, you'll instantly recognize the sleek design that this time comes in a sizable package. The all-black case with its knurled bezel exudes a classic and sophisticated vibe. However, it's worth noting that the larger size might be a drawback for some, as it measures a substantial 50.15 by 48 by 12.2 millimeters and weighs 44.35 grams. In comparison to other top smartwatches on the market, such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro or the Google Pixel Watch, the TicWatch Pro 5 does stand out for its heftier dimensions. But don't let the size deter you just yet, because beneath that spacious exterior lies some serious power. Mobvoi proudly introduces the TicWatch Pro 5 as the first smartwatch, featuring Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform. This significant upgrade over previous Wear OS devices offers remarkable performance and responsiveness. With 32 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, this watch handles tasks with ease. Whether you're launching new apps, scrolling through messages, or utilizing voice-to-text capabilities, the TicWatch Pro 5 delivers a seamless user experience. Speaking of capabilities, let's not overlook the standout feature of this watch, its massive 628 mAh battery. In my time with the device, I've been highly impressed by its longevity. Mobvoi claims up to 80 hours of use per charge in smartwatch mode, and my testing has consistently yielded around 4 to 5 days before needing a recharge. Thanks to the low-power secondary display that acts as an always-on option, the battery life is further optimized. To replenish the battery, you'll use the familiar proprietary magnetic pogo pin connector, although wireless charging would have been a welcome addition. Now let's delve into the health tracking capabilities. Equipped with various sensors including heart rate, SpO2, skin temperature, accelerometer, gyro sensor, barometer, compass, and multiple GPS tracking methods, the TicWatch Pro 5 provides comprehensive fitness monitoring. During my daily wear and workouts, the heart rate and GPS tracking proved to be reliable, although there were some minor discrepancies when compared to other smartwatches. To sum it up, the TicWatch Pro 5 showcases impressive hardware, generous battery, and a durable design. While the larger size may not suit everyone's preferences, its powerful performance and extensive health tracking features make it a compelling choice. As with any product, there are aspects to consider, such as the absence of wireless charging and potential variances in heart rate accuracy. It's essential to weigh the positives against the negatives before making a decision. Software. This smartwatch offers a familiar interface reminiscent of the Pixel Watch. However, there are a couple of standout differences. The TicWatch Pro 5 allows you to pin apps to the top of the app drawer for quick access, a feature missing on some other watches. It also provides customization options for the ultra-low power secondary display and features like Essential Mode for extended battery life. Additionally, Mobvoi's line of health apps, including TicSleep and TicBreath, enhances your wellness journey. While the TicWatch Pro 5 offers unique functionalities, it's important to note that the user interface when customizing watch faces is not significantly different. Display. This remarkable feature, already familiar to fans of Mob Voi's Pro series, sets this smartwatch apart from the rest. Picture this, an OLED display that bursts with vibrant colors and sharp text, complemented by a transparent secondary display. The secondary display operates on minimal power and mimics the appearance of a classic digital watch face, leveraging ambient light to showcase information without emitting any light of its own. What's truly exciting is that the TicWatch Pro 5 takes this experience to the next level. New to the Pro 5 is the integration of color-coded backlighting on the secondary display to provide visual cues for your heart rate range during workouts. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl hitting the gym, a quick glance at your watch reveals an orange light for the cardio range, yellow for fat burn, or red for a cautionary zone. With a total of 6 different colors to indicate various ranges, you'll stay informed and motivated throughout your fitness journey. That's not all. The TicWatch Pro 5 introduces an array of tiles on the secondary display, mirroring the functionality you're accustomed to on the OLED screen when navigating Wear OS 3. By simply rotating the watch's crown, you can effortlessly scroll through 5 customizable tiles, offering a quick glimpse at notifications, heart rate, blood oxygen, calories, and even a compass. The possibilities are endless. When utilizing text exercise, you have the flexibility to select and prioritize the workout metrics that matter most to you. As a dedicated runner, I love having instant access to my heart rate, distance, and time. It's the ultimate blend of convenience and personalization. While the dual-layer display remains a standout feature, it's important to consider other aspects of the TicWatch Pro 5 before making your decision. And that concludes today's video, where we delved into the fascinating features of the TicWatch Pro 5. After hearing all the details, we'd love to know, will you be purchasing this impressive smartwatch? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next exciting tech review. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.